Welcome to this automotive manipulation Photoshop tutorial. I have linked everything I use down in the description below. So please like and subscribe to this channel so I can keep making these for you. So without further ado, let's jump into this thing. The first thing you want to do is after you have downloaded and unzipped the files, open Adobe Bridge and select all of the photos of the Blazer. Once you have selected the photos, right-click and then click on Open in Camera Raw. Make sure all of the files are in order. You can do this by clicking down here and select File Name. Now select the first image. It looks a little dark, so let's bring the exposure up a tad. .55 looks like a good spot to start. Select the second image. This photo is for the overall car and grille. It is a little bright, so let's bring down the highlights to somewhere around here. Select the third image. This is for the front passenger tire. It's bright, so let's bring down the highlights. This looks pretty good for now. Select the fourth image. We will use this for highlighting more of the front. Let's bring down the highlights so we can bring back a little more detail. Select the fifth image. We want the highlight on the passenger headlight and fog light in this photo. It's a little bright, so let's bring down the highlight to around here. That looks pretty good. Select the sixth image. We want the lights on the ground. It's overexposed. Let's bring down the highlights to recover some information on the ground. That's good. We can adjust it more in Photoshop. Now let's select the next image and do the same. We want the lights on the middle ground and foreground. Let's bring down the highlights to recover some information. Let's select the next image. We want the headlights and fog lights from this photo. It looks pretty good as is, so let's move on to the final image. This image looks good too. We want just the headlights from this photo. Now that we're done adjusting these images, go down here and click Done. Next, go up to Tools, go down to Photoshop, and then click on Load Files into Photoshop Layers. It takes a few seconds to load. When it's done loading, make sure the layers are in the correct order. It should look like this. If not, just rearrange the layers. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.